Viewers, let's get our hands dirty using page object model design pattern. So for this, we basically need pages one folder, tests another folder, utilities are common which we already created as another folder, and config as a file. I'll not bother you much here. We'll go into the hands-on there you'll understand. So this is our prior record and playback script. So you know how to run and all right now using npx playwright test and going using this test fixture, we run the relevant file and execute. Okay, but due to the non-maintenance or lesser flexibility from record and play, we are going to a page object model. So I'm just closing this for your sake of clear view. And what we'll try to do is, so right now, whatever we have is one test folder, one common folder, one test folder, one common folder. Common folder, we kept it outside so that just not one test folder, we can do others also, where other folders also we can create and move on, use. Okay. Yeah. So leave this test folder as is here, and we'll try to go to we'll create another folder. Okay, and that folder name probably could be Blaze demo, just in case you wanted to. Okay, how I'll create? Come here, I go and create a folder, and I'll say Blaze demo. That is the site which we are trying to test, right? That's the reason. And once I update a Blaze demo and whatever I use from here is needed, then what I'll do is, I mean, that needs to be configured, right? We talked about the configuration. So the configuration, instead of test folder, I'll modify to some other name. That name is nothing but Blaze demo. Okay, so I just modify this to Blaze demo, and what I'll do here is I already have projects by name Blaze demo. I'll just go ahead and comment this other okay uh, other projects. Okay, just commented them out, and then Blaze demo. Inside we have nothing. So what I'll do is I'll try to create pages in this. Okay, the color changes happened just now. Apart from pages, what else we'll do? We'll have the test folder, which is nothing but regression tests. Okay, maybe I'll do in this. Either I can write regression, or instead it is already having certain color change on tests also. So what happened right now is I accidentally created tests in pages folder. What I'll do is I do copy. First I'll create in pages and I'll see how it goes on. So within the pages, uh, we'll create first things first. That is nothing but Blaze demo base page. You might ask me, hey, Varun, we already have one common folder which is common base. Right now, this is common base is for all the projects whatever we'll create. But this is where one project only I'm dealing with. So within this particular project, I might have a specific functionality to be tested, which is common across that project only, Blaze demo. Okay, so I'll keep that particular snippet of code in Blaze demo base page, which will be used across. Okay. So, okay, yeah. Now, we have tests and pages. Okay. Within this test, what I'll try to do is I'll create one file. File naming could be of this format. So Blaze demo bd underscore 002, or already it is taken, so 003. Okay, this is just like a Jira name only. Okay, BD hyphen 0003. Maybe your project will have TP hyphen 004 or 1234 kind of. Okay, and then my major functionality is all about testing a end-to-end scenario for this simple travel agency, right? For this simple travel agency, this base demo, I select something. and I click on something, find it, and I'll click on chooses flights and enter details. So flight basically, okay, has been reserved and purchase details. So end-to-end test case. So uh, what I'll do is E to E scenario. Your basically this is happy path E to E. G to E underscore tests. Ideally, you go with small cases. E to E happy path. I don't have any extra things here. Happy path purchase or decline whatever you have. Spec dot ts file. Okay. Now you see the difference. The ts file is in one format. Test file is in another format. Okay. Okay. Since I created tests within pages, I'm moving this out into Blaze demo folder. First, I'll take this out into common, then I'll move it back. Okay, it's all about. Okay, it is moving into pages folder, but I don't want that to happen. What I try to do is I'll create one more file here. Uh, so just be careful while you do this kind of stuff. Now I'm moving into Blaze demo. It is saying, hey, Blaze demo. Yeah, move here, and I'll remove this test. Additionally, the one which I created just now. Okay, that shows us a basic structure, if you remember. So what we are trying to do is uh okay, now again this is at a base demo, base page only, right? But how many pages do we have right now? One is the first page, then which is welcome page, then flights from to and reserve page. So what I'll try to do is every page will create one. Okay, just like this. I click on this. One is a welcome page. Welcome page dot ts file. Other one is reserve page. Page dot. Remember, see the difference? Dot ts files is there for pages. Dot spec dot ts is there for test file. Okay. Rate exceeded. Go back. Okay. And here it is purchase page. Right click, new purchase page dot ps file. Then we have confirmation page. Okay. So this is the basic structure. If someone asks you in an interview, okay, hey, what is that basic page object model? Is communicate that we create a base page and we extend all along for all other projects or all other pages. So we are separating the page level interactions, okay, into one particular place by name pages folder, and then we create tests in another folder. So testing is different, having the elements is at a different location. Okay, so here we do testing. Okay, the what we are trying to do here is we are trying to add value to a functional test, okay, through automation techniques. So happy path, whenever a build has been completed, every time you're doing the same test, imagine if it's an end-to-end test where right now you just saw 4 to 5 pages, but what if you see 15 to 30 pages of applications? So at that juncture, this could be very useful. So make sure this is how you understand and implement things. So this is a common base. Okay, I'll create everything, the basic structure I'm just showing you. So common base or utility file at this location where we call all the methods from here and use across all these pages to make sure our test get the relevant interactions done as per the specifications. Okay, and this is a configuration file wherein we can modify things all across for our usage. Yeah, and that's it for this video. We'll do the remaining creations in the next video. Thank you.